Hi, I'm Madeline. 10-year-old Comfort Snowburger has experienced a lot of deaths, and she has learned that it is not always easy to say goodbye. This book is called Each Little Bird That Sings. Comfort and her family owned Snowburger's funeral home. After great-great-aunt Florentine's death, Peach, Comfort's 8-year-old cousin, is devastated. But then, when Comfort's best friend, Declaration, starts hanging out with popular mean girls in school, Comfort then only has Dismay, her loyal dog, as her best friends. On the way to bury great-great-aunt Florentine, Comfort decides to walk. Turns out she has to take Peach with her, and Dismay decides to tag along. But then, when it starts to pour, Comfort and Peach have to get into a safe shelter. But when Peach refuses to go, Comfort gets irritated. Comfort has to convince Peach to come so they can get out alive. Who will get out alive? And who will be gone forever? Who will have the next funeral? And will Declaration and Comfort ever make up? If you want to find out, go to your local library or bookstore and check out Each Little Bird That Sings by Deborah Wills. This book is for ages 8 and up. Bye. Thanks for watching.